Time to make a video. It's KD for everybody to see. What do you think?
What?
What do you think? You should do it once over, or you got everything?
You probably look over once, but
Huh?
you probably look over it once. I can't think of anything that we didn't look over, bro.
Me either. I need brake fluid. Oh, there it is. It's all on the ground. Alright, rolling through. Well, she started.
Reef on that bitch.
Was it leaking from the gasket?
No.
Yeah, I forgot. I was gonna pull the fuel pump and turn it over sometimes to get oil through it.
Yeah.
Build oil pressure.
I actually agree. I think so. I mean, the relationships we have with our significant other, our parents, our children, our coworkers, you know,
Let's check it out. Is that
those
copper?
matter more than anything else, really.
Yeah. Well, and your boss, your employees, how you treat people, it's all.
That sounds too good. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna hit. I'm gonna hit my hood.
It might push down a little bit, but
So, you know, we got the bone stock KA over here. Everyone said we couldn't do it, but there she is. Look at that. Yee! It's a happy day for me and all my drift buddies who helped. I want to thank all my drift buddies who talked me into doing this, even though it's been the one and only Nikolai Puri. This kid has been sitting in my garage for 3 years now and just haven't wanted to put it on, but today was the day. Took us, I want to say, probably an 8-hour shift. What do you think, about 8 hours?
Turbo! Run City, son.
What do you think? It took us about 8 hours, my friend?
Probably took about 8 hours, but we got the